Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I just pulled off a 64 down, come down here because I wanted to see something, but there's a little more here than I thought. Now that's where you go in for a certain business. It used to be that you could enter sort of from 64, but now watch what they got down here. Let's see what's at this entrance. I remember when that was new. I'm not sure about what this is. Looks like a Pontiac. So you can sort of guess at what they do. That's another GM. Well, I haven't been in here in a while. I'm just going to turn around. You can hear their air pump going, filling the tank. I'll just claim I made a wrong turn. Excuse me. Now the hood on that blue one is up, which kind of suggests that it doesn't go anywhere. So these are parts cars. Now this one goes back quite a way. Yeah, that's a 350. Yeah, we raced something like that. That's got a 350 in it. That's called the mouse engine. There were 398s. Do I remember that right? Or were they a little bit bigger than that? Were they 409? I think the Fords were 427. See, these are parts cars. Trying to think of the year of that. 1954? Something like that. It's when I was a kid. Steve AB4L, just me and Nosey, saying see you at 73.